Ever wonder who the top 5 American baseball players of all time are? Well, the suspense is about to break, like a fastball on a hot summer's day. We're about to dive headfirst into the annals of baseball history. Let's start this countdown with a bang. Coming in at number 5, we have the powerhouse Mickey Mantle. This slugger had a career as explosive as his personality, and boy did he love a good home run almost as much as a good time. Mantle sure knew how to hit a ball in a party. At number 4, we've got the great Willie Mays. Known for his remarkable career, Mays made waves with his exceptional skills and influence on the game. It's amusing to note that despite his fear of flying, his baseballs had no such issues. Mays may have been scared of flying, but his balls certainly weren't. Taking the 3rd spot, it's none other than Hank Aaron. Aaron's career was a grand slam of great moments, from his record-breaking home runs to his unmatched consistency. Funny enough, this legend once signed an autograph as Hank Aaron's. Aaron might have been humble, but his stats certainly aren't. Just missing the top spot at number 2, it's Babe Ruth. He was a titan in the roaring 20s, famous for his home runs and hot dogs. Remember when he called his shot? That's Ruth, always full of surprises. Babe Ruth, a man who lived as large as his legend. And finally at number 1 we have the incomparable Jackie Robinson. Known for shattering baseball's color barrier in the 40s, Robinson's tenacity and talent were unparalleled. He was a beacon of hope, a symbol of resilience, and boy could he swing a bat. Now here's a fun tidbit. Robinson was so competitive, he'd even race pigeons in his free time. Yes, you heard it right, pigeons. Talk about a man who loved a challenge. Jackie Robinson, a true trailblazer who changed the game forever. And there you have it, the top 5 American baseball players of all time. From Babe Ruth's home runs to Jackie Robinson's groundbreaking career, each brought something unique to the diamond. These legends didn't just play the game, they changed it forever. Who's your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.